Hi friends, today as a part of an exercise that I've been doing for the past 21 days, have to share a parable with you. I'm going to talk to you about this parable called This Too Shall Pass. So the story goes that there was a king and he had a big diamond ring and he wanted to hide a message that could come handy to him or his heir in the future when they are in a lot of trouble. And he spoke to all the wise men in his court to come up with such a message. Though these wise men had written big books and theses, they were not able to coin a simple message that could be hidden inside the diamond ring. So the king was a little disappointed. People were working on it, but nothing seems to feel right. That time, the king complained about this failure to get the message written for the ring. An old man who had raised the king from infancy and was a part of the family came to the king's help. The old man told him that he's not a sage or he's not educated, but he knows the right message that can go under the diamond. And this message was given by a visiting mystic which had come to the kingdom many years back while the king was a kid and was been invited by the then king. So the old man told the king that you should not read the message now. Leave it when you need it or use it when you need it. So the king agreed, and this small message was hidden inside below the ring or inside the ring, and days passed by. After a couple of years, after some time, the king was attacked by another country, and the king lost the war, and he fled on his horses, and his enemies were trying to track him and get him down. He was alone, the enemies were many. He rode to the end of the road, and then he got into a huge forest, and there he reached at a dead end kind of a thing, because there was a cliff before him. If he fell, it was his end. He realized that this is the worst that it could have got, and he remembered the ring, and he wanted to check what is the message that was there. So he opened the ring and he found the message written, "This too shall pass." And reading this simple message, the king felt everything was quiet. His enemies lost their way, they went into another direction, the horses were no longer heard. And this simple message made the king feel charged, energized, and he was also filled with a lot of gratitude for the old man and the unknown sage. So with these words that made him feel so powerful, he closed the ring and set out back on the road. He gathered all his people, he gathered his army, went and defeated the enemy, and was back in his kingdom. So the day he returned to his palace, he arranged for a magnificent meeting, a feast for the entire kingdom, and the king was feeling extremely happy and proud. During this feast, the old man again walked up to the king and came up to him and said to read, even at this moment you should look at the message. The king was a little surprised. He said that, I am a winner, I'm celebrating my return. I'm not in despair. Why should I, or a hopeless situation, why should I read the message? To which the old man answered, the message works not only in moments of everything is bad, but it also in moments of victory. Now the king opened the ring and read it again. It again read, "This too shall pass." And again he felt a silence all over him. Although he was in midst of noisy dancing crowd and a big celebration, his pride dissolved and he understood the message. He was a wise man. And the old man said to the king, "Do remember, everything that happens to you, nothing and no feeling is permanent. As days changes into nights, so moments of joy and despair are also replacing each other. Accept them as a nature of things, as a part of life." And the parable comes to an end here. we had to reflect and we had to give in our own thoughts on this small story. We had to share in our thoughts on what this parable means to us. And here are a couple of my thoughts. The first thing that I think of, everything is temporary. This is something that we need to keep in our mind while dealing with anything that is happening to you. Nothing is going to be permanent. So change is the only constant in life. This is something that we need to keep in our minds. Stay present, live in the moment. Living in the past or the future causes more trouble. There are the principles of yin and yang, or the principle of circle of life. This is what we should always keep in the back of our minds while experiencing good and bad times. That will bring in more happiness and keep us grounded. And the final thing is, it's about maintaining our Buddha state while experiencing life. We are here to experience all of this. That's our purpose. This is something that I picked up while learning hypnotherapy, and this is something that appeals to me a lot. So I hope you've loved this parable. Think about it and keep remembering this. This too shall pass. Thank you very much. Keep watching. God bless.